Line across. Line over here. And then we are going to go a line down, not too far though. And then I'm going to pull a line across. Then another line down, and pull across. And then right here, line downward. Line down, line down, line down. So now I have his legs. And then I pull across. Pull across. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, there's gonna be a lot of videos, so check out the banner, the schedules on the banner there. 3 videos every single weekday. So I'm gonna pull a line down here, down here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull a horseshoe shape. Down here, right there. Same thing over here on this side. Horseshoe shape. Line across for the bend of the knees. Line across for kind of right at the end of the foot where it swoops down. So obviously do the Batman symbol. Well, excuse me. Sorry about that. Sorry, I still have a lingering cough from my sickness. Line here, line here. Like this, square, down, cross, and lastly his cape. Over here we're going to pull a large curve. And then it's going to pull in, pull in. Pull a large curve here. Here, and then you have Lego Batman. Anyways, that is it. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please share a video. When you share a video, it's better than even like contributing money to this channel. Actually, when you share it, it's just, I have this huge boost of positive energy, and it's extremely noticeable when someone shares it. Like anywhere, Twitter, Facebook, like Tumblr, Reddit, anytime someone shares it, it's very noticeable. Thank you so much. And I've been getting over a sickness, so the nice things people have been saying have been great. Really do help. It just helps to talk to people on here. Yeah, so thank you. If you did make it to the end of this video and you hear me right now, say hi to me in the comment section and I'll say hi back to everybody. Thank you so much.